This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, yesterday, right, this is what displayed, right? This is what displayed now. So now, actually, what is requirement now? What is requirement now? Now, all of you observe. All of you observe. Yes. Now, the requirement is okay. Already here, the form, right? That form over, right? Means data entry frame over. This one data display frame, right? Display frame, guys. And here, first I want to display some search boxes like this. Search boxes regarding filter. Then I want to display the table, guys. I want to display table. Because I'm making two parts now. I'm making two parts. One part is about those filtrations. Second about the table. Right? Now, first of all, we work with these filtrations. Then you go with the table, guys. Okay. Let us see in the filtrations what you want to filter and what you want to display there. Okay. So yes, here what is required now? We required one box here. One box, guys. Why? Okay, so this in this box we take the drop down of all the columns names, required columns. Suppose I want to filter based on the gender, take the gender for example. I want to filter based on the trainer name, or based on the roll number, roll number, a roll number. Okay, or based on the course, or based on the first name. I want to filter, guys. So we have to give the column name here. We give the column name. So these all columns you take as a drop down for this one, guys, for this combo box. If I click on this box, this all will display. Out of this all, select either gender or trainer or roll number or course or first name. Suppose if I select gender, now gender I want to filter male or female. Now enter male, so that now all male data will display. Or if I enter female, then all female data will display. Okay, like that. Suppose I'm taking the course. I select the course here. Now course is right. Course is selected here. Then enter the course name. Which course you want? I want all people learning Python. Or I want all people learning Java. Give the Java name here. Okay, give the Java name. And I want all people who are learning C language. Give the name. Means in the first box I'm selecting the specific column name. In that column I am giving the specific value from that column. Okay, so after giving specific value, then I display one button, guys. Here I take one button. That is the search button, right? Search button. What's button name? Search button. That's all. And I'll take one more button here. That is a show all button. Show all button. Why this button? If I click this button, then all data will come without any filter, right? And before this one, I'll take which one? Search by, guys. Search by. I'll take one thing, search by, right? So finally, we're taking the 5 parts here. The first one is search by. It's a label, right? Label. Then one combo box, one entry, right? One right there now, one button and one button, guys. And here these all are in the single, right? All in the single row, guys. All on the single row and different columns. Single row means first row what is number 0. This is the one column. This is second column, right? This is third column. This is fourth column. This is fifth column. For this column, what is number 0? Then right 1. Then 2, 3, and then right 4. 4, right? 4, guys. Now for this one, what is the row and column position here? For this one, the position is row 0, column 0, right? And for this one, row 0, what is column 1. For this one, same row 0, column 2. For this one, row 0, column 3. And for this one, row 0, column 4, right? Column 4. Now, guys, we'll start one by one. Now we'll do the which one first search by. Then which one this combo box, the normal input box, then button and button, guys. We'll do all one by one. Okay, one by one. Yes. Now what this one here? Search by, right? Search by, guys. For search by, we have taken the one label. We have taken one label, guys. One label. That label displayed by taking the row 0, column 0 over, and we're taking the text search by. Now what second one? One combo box here. Combo box means which has the drop down nature. Okay, drop down nature. For that one, I taking the one model called TTK. That one imported just now, right? That importing over here. Yes, TTK imported. Okay. Of importing a default function combo box, then I'm taking normally frame name and this font and the width. Okay. Now for this one, what is the row and column? Row 0 0 over. For this one, row 0, column 1, right? Column 1, guys. Column equal to 1. Right? Column equal to 1. Now let me run this one. Let me run this one. Yes, guys. Now all of you can observe here. See, right? All of you can observe here. See, a nature came. What is nature here? Drop down nature. But here, where are the columns names are? Where are the columns names are? Yes, guys. Now what do we do here? What do we do here? We'll take combo search of values. We take the values. This values means we specify the columns names, guys. Which columns you want to use for filter? Like I want to use take the columns names. Course column, right? Course column, right? Course column. Next one, trainer column, gender, guys. We'll take first these three. Course, right? Trainer, and gender, guys. Later we'll add that first name, rule number, all we add later. Okay. Yes. Now let's go there. Let me run this one. Let us try here. Yes, guys. Can you observe here? Now course came, trainer came, gender came. Course, trainer, gender, guys. They came here. Okay. They came here. Right? It's fine. Yes, guys. Now, so in this case, we'll go for the next one, third one. What is third one? What is third one? See, suppose I am taking the course. I am taking the course. Now which course you want? Course only, but which course? Python course or Java course or Django course or .NET course or PHP course or data science, AWS, machine learning, like that. Okay, I take the normal search box there. We'll take the normal, right, search box there, guys. Okay, we'll take their normal data entry. I'm taking the entry of where data display frame, right? I'll take normal font. We take the font, guys. I'll take the both font and width, and we're taking here both font and width. That's all. We'll take the one name here. One name here is a search box, right? For which one? For search purpose. Text search. Then this one. Tell me now. Yes, right. Search, guys. Now grid. What is the column number and row number? All of let me know. Row equal to which one? Same row. What is column number? Column number 2, right? 2, guys. Now let me run this one. Yes, we got it, right? We got it, guys. Okay, space did not come. We'll check it first of all. Okay. For this one, let's take pad x equal to 10. Let us try pad x 10. Pad x 10. Yes, guys, right? Some space came now. Some space came. Okay, space came, guys. We'll arrange. Okay, we'll arrange all. Let me take one by one. Now this is also over. This is also over. Next, what I want now, see, I am taking the here, suppose a course, and I am giving the Python course. Then I want a button here. Which button? Search button. I want a search button. After taking the course, giving the Python, if I click search button, then guys, the data will filter and display based on this filter data. Okay. Now I am going to take now a button now, right? The button widget, guys. Button off where display same. Now what you want to display on the button name? On the button name button. Now what you want to display? I want to display simply search, guys. Okay. I want to display which one? Search. Right, search. Okay. Next one now I'll take the same, guys. I'll take the same. Yes. I'll take the btn search, guys. Okay. So button name. Right. Right. Now btn search dot btn search dot again where you want display. I'll take the grid, right? Grid of row. What's row number now? Row number same, right? 0. What is column number? Column number, I think 3, right? 3, guys. Column number 3. Column number 3. Yes, guys. Okay, fine. But you're taking the more width, right? For everything, we're taking the more width, guys. We're taking the always 2020, right? This much not equal. Let's take suppose 10 only. We're taking the more width for boxes, for the buttons. Yes, it's fine. Here also for this combo box also 20 not equivalent, just 15 enough, right? And here also let's take the 15. Oh, not 215. Yes, run this one. Yes, guys. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Now what do? We'll take the suppose pad x 20, guys. I'm taking the pad x 20. It's fine, right? This time I'm trying to take the little bit gap, guys. I'm trying to take the gap. If you take the suppose 40, let us see how much will come. Okay, I think it's better, right? Yes, guys. We need one more button also, right? We need one more button also. We'll take the button. Why this button? Data display. Sorry. Right. Data display frame. Then we'll take the some text equal to show all, guys. Show all. Show all. Then we'll take the same font, same width, guys. Okay. Yes, I'm taking the I'll take the button name btn. Why this one show all, right? Btn show all. Then btn show all. Btn show all dot grid of what is row number? Same 0. What is the column number? Is the 4. Is the 4, right? 4, guys. Is the 4. Yes, it's fine. Now we'll take the same, guys. Pad x equal to some 30. X equal to some 30, right? 30, guys. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Now the background colors, guys, for both background color, text color, we can take same color or we can change it also, guys. Our wish, right? Uh, for search, right? Okay, we'll take later that one. We'll modify later. We'll modify later. Okay. Now it's fine, guys, right? It's fine. They came, right? For search, I'll take the suppose I'm taking now f bg equal to, we'll take the green, guys. Let us see what will happen, how it looks like, right? I'll take the some fg equal to weight, fg equal to weight. I think all the weight is there already. fg equal to weight. Is it fine? uh, Search, right? No problem, guys. You can take anyone, right? Let's take or else blue, guys. Okay, we'll take the background blue. Actually, we have the number of colors, but we know just 3-4 colors, guys, generally, right? We know just 3-4 colors. Right? So all for this also I'll take the one background bg equal to, here what do we take? Let's take the yellow. Let us try this one. We take the fg equal to let's go with the red, guys. Okay. Hmm. Okay, fine, no problem. Right now, what is over, guys? Now just creating this over, only creating over, but functionality not done still. Functionality, guys, functionality means after giving these two, if click on the button, then filtering this all not over till still. Now we'll take the table. First of all, we take the table, then, guys, we give the functionality for the search button and show all button. Okay. First of all, let me display table here. Display table. Okay. Now let me know till now clear this one. Let me know, is this clear? This combo box, normal box, same width taken, right? For both, same width taken. Okay, no issues, guys. For this one, let's take here something sticky equal to, let's take the west, guys. Let us see any change will there. That is taken very for combo box, right? Okay. Hmm. Okay, I think already west is there already. Okay, so no problem. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create a frame for the table, guys. A frame for the table. Now all of you observe. I am going to create which one now? Table frame, guys. Table frame. We'll see now. Creating table. Okay. Table frame, guys. Table frame. Right. Table frame. Yes. Yes. Now all of you observe. I'll take the table. I'll take the name table frame, guys. I'll take the frame name table frame. Table frame. Then frame of, all of please mute the mic. Frame of this table frame area on display. Data display frame only. And this frame border, I'll take the now bd equal to 5, and I'll take the relief lief something. We take the groove, guys. Okay, groove. Yes. Just have take the only frame. Now table frame dot place. Where you want to place that frame? Where you want to place? Where you want to place that one? Now I want to place here, right? I want to place something like this. Here means from the x I leave the less space only, but from the y we have take the more, guys. We should take the more. From y I think we should take the more, right? We should take the more, guys, right? Let's take now x equal to maybe some 10 now. Let us try. And y equal to, let's take some 50, guys. 50, right? Y equal to 50. Then give width and height also, guys. The right, width equal to right, width means which one, guys? Width, this is the width, right? This is the width, guys. We'll give the more big number only. I'll go with for example 800, guys. 800. And the height, guys. Okay, height height, height equal to, let's take suppose 600. Let us try now. Wow, Yes guys, more height given, right? Let me take the height, for example 500. We'll take the height 500. Let us see now. It's fine, right? It's fine guys, but the width will go with the 900. I am going with 900 width guys. Yeah, it's fine, right? It's fine guys, but I want little bit more gap here. I want little bit more gap here. Then you take the more y, right? We'll take the suppose 70. Y value 70 guys. Means y coordination value 70. Oh, 70 means it came very down now. Let's take the 60. Yes, it's fine all of, right? It's fine now. Okay, it's fine now. Right. Now all of you observe, I am going to create table, right? Table guys. To create a table, we use a ttk module. In this one, sorry, we use a ttk dot tree guys. Tree view is there. Tree view guys. Tree view, because I want to display a table, right? To display a table, we'll take the tree shape. It means a tree view guys. Right, means first which one, that header taking the columns, again taking the data, taking data. Okay, for this purpose, we take which one? We take the tree view. This tree view display where on the table frame, on the table frame. Then what are the columns you want display? What are the columns? The display, right? Take the all columns one by one, guys. We'll take the all columns now. We'll take the all columns one by one. I think we know all, right? We know guys columns names. Yes. So what is the first one? Columns, right? Columns equal to, the first one is right roll number, not call number guys. It's a roll number, right? Roll number. Next one, all of just observe. I may make mistake. Just observe guys. First name, then we take the last name, then first name, last name, then course, right? We'll take the course, after course, fee, right? Fee, after fee we'll take the, oh sorry, we'll take the contact, right? Contact. Okay, after contact, we'll take the email id. After email id, next one, we'll take the trainer. After trainer, we'll take the start date. Of start date, we'll take the gender guys. Okay, gender. That's all. I specified all columns guys. I specified all columns. You have taken here all columns. Okay, all columns guys. You have taken here all columns. Okay, all columns over. All columns over. Right now, all of you observe. So what is the name we have taken? Let review. For this table I'll take the name called self dot student table guys. What is the name I'm taking here? Student table. I'm taking the name as a student table. For this one I'm taking the one variable. What's variable name now? Right, student, right? Student variable guys. Student variable, right? Variable. Now, so in this means now we have the empty table. We have the just empty table guys here. Empty table, right? In this one, just specify the just columns names. All overall columns names, right? Overall columns names guys. Now we'll take the each one. This is what you want display actually. See here, just it's a main column name, but in the table I want display like capital R, roll num, like this. So each heading, what you want display, suppose your column name, first underscore name is there. but what I want display, I want display like first first space name like this, guys, or f name like this I want display. Okay, so for that one we'll take now self dot student table dot heading is okay, heading of for roll number column, for roll number column. Then what on display text, I want display simply roll number like this, or simply roll num like this, guys. Okay, next one, for first name, right? What is the column name? For first name, what you want display? What you want display that name? I want like capital F. First name like this, guys. For last name, for last, right? Last name. What you want display? Simply last name. I'm clicking the Control D, guys. Control D means copy and paste. Okay. What next column name? What next column name? Last name course, right? The column name course as it is column name. Then what you want display? It shows a different name. I want display simply course. Control D. Right, fee, guys. Next one. I'm taking the exact column name as it is fee, and the user defined text. I'll take the capital F of fee. Control D. Next contact, right? Contact, guys. Contact and observe here. Okay, contact is there. Then email ID. What is the column name? I think email, right? Email ID. Now I want to display simply email ID like this. Again, Control D. Our trainer, right? Just take the column name trainer. Right, column name is right trainer, guys. Sorry, trainer. And what I want to display here, I want to display trainer or trainer name like that. Again, Control D. Start date, right? Start date, guys. Which one? Start date. Start date. And what you want to display there? Start space date like this, guys. Okay. Next, what is there? Gender, right? The last one, gender is there. Gender, right? Now I want to display gender. Over, right? Over, guys. Now all over, right? All over. After all over, then guys will take the self dot student table dot student table of we take the show equal to which one, headings, guys. Okay, means now I want to display these all headings. I want to display these all headings. Let me try now. Let me run this one. Okay, so still not displayed, right? Still, guys, right? They are not displayed. Right? They are not displayed. They are not displayed. Let us see now. They are not displayed, guys, here, right? Let me take this one. I'll take now self dot student table dot. I think we use the pack, guys. We use the pack. Let us try. Let us try. I used pack here. Yeah, yes, guys. Okay, now all came, but because of more space, because of I'll observe now all of you, because of more space, then what happened here? The remaining values are truncated, guys, here. The remaining values truncated, the remaining truncated here, and we don't have the scroll bar also, guys. Now we don't have the scroll bar also. We don't have the scroll bar. If you have the scroll bar, we can move the scroll like left side, right side, like we can move it. We can move it, right? So now what I want, guys, observe. Now what I want now. So now this each one, guys, this is the column, right? This is column, guys. Now this each column, I want take just maybe 20 pixels width, 20 with like this, guys. I want display each column 20 width like this. Okay, so that in a single frame we can display all. We can display all, right? We can display all, guys. For that one, again, what we do now, just observe now. Now all of observe self data student table data column of what's first one, what's the first one, roll number, right? Roll number, roll number. I'll take the width, guys. Width equal to just 20. At 20, let us see now. Let us see whether the width will change or not. The width will see. Yes, guys, a very small came, right? Very small, guys, right? We'll change it now. Let's take suppose 50, guys. Okay, I'm taking now 50. Now can you observe, guys, here, right? Very small came. See, can you observe here the border? See the border, right? Border came. Okay, like this, guys. For each one, we can give the required space. Required space. I give the 70. I hope, guys, for roll number 70 enough, right? This much space enough, guys, for roll number, because we may give 3 digits or 4 digits, right? Enough. In case of names, email IDs, we can take little bit more length, but roll number enough, right? Now I'll take the same one. For which one now? For first name, guys, right? For first name, we'll take a little bit more. I'll take 100, guys. Okay, 100. Let us see now. Yes, guys. Okay, this is the first name, right? Is enough, I think. First name enough. See last name, how much is there by default? See last name and course name by default. More is there. Now we'll take the. This is for which one? For last name, guys. This is the for last name. Right? Okay. LAST. Last name. Right? Yes, guys. First name or last name. See, right? Last name. But see, course, how much is there? We'll take now just for course. Just for course. Control D. Next for fee. We'll take the fee. I'll take all, guys. We'll change later with the. After fee, we'll take the for contact, right? For contact. After contact, email ID. Right? Email ID. After email ID, we'll take the trainer. Trainer. Of trainer, we'll take the start date. Start date. After start date, we'll take the okay gender, guys. Gender, right? Now for all I have taken the 100, right? Let us see now. Yes, guys, right? If you take for all 100 also, what's last one? Gender, right? That gender, guys, see that gender, right? Truncated. Now for fee, this much not required, right? For fee, so we'll decrease the fee, guys. Now let's go with fee maybe 70, and also course also again more, right? Email ID, trainer name, that is trainer. That is trainer. Here, fee how much given? Oh, fee given 700. Let's take the 70. Yes, correct. And gender coming. So gender, this much not required. Maybe 50 enough, right? Just take the male, female, right? Only 6 characters only. Okay. Yes, guys. Now we got it. Gender also came. Gender also came. Yes, yes. Okay. It's fine now. It's fine. Now all of you observe. Right? All of you observe. It's fine. Okay. See, we can apply scroll. No problem. Just I'm giving the some values. Okay. If you want to take the bigger one, if you want to take the bigger one, you can take bigger one. At the time, what do? I apply scrolling. This is the scroll X. And take this side also, guys. This side also, that's called scroll Y. Scroll X, let's scroll Y. Okay. Right. Now it is over. Now what I want now? What I want now? Now all of you observe. All of you observe. Now I am going to write the query. Write the query for which one? For fetching data, guys. Right? For fetching data. For fetching data, I am going to write the one query. Okay. Means I'm going to create one method, guys. Now already one method over. Which functionality? Padding functionality. Now def will take the fetch data, guys. Fetch data. Def fetch data. Okay, fetch data. Right now, this functionality will implement, guys. Now, this one will implement. Which one now? Now, if I run this one now, then what will happen now? What happens here? So automatically the data should come on display here. The data, suppose already we have the two records, right? Two or three records, they will come on display. They will come on the display here. Now, guys, let us try that one now. Let us try for the fetching data. To fetch the data again, same, right? Same connecting database, taking the cursor. This is common, right? These two common, guys. These two common. Which one? Connecting database, creating cursor, right? These two over. Now, so cursor dot execute, right? Execute, guys. Execute, right? Now, what read here? Read the query. Read the query. Now, let me know, guys, here in this one, which query we write now? Is it a select query or insert query or update or delete? All of let me know. All of let me know which query we read there. Which query we read there, guys, right? Select a star from this table, right? This is our table, guys. It's our table. Yes, we have the two records, right? We have two records. These two should come there. These two should come there. Means what is the query to get this data? What is the query? Select a star from the table name, right? The same thing, guys. Now I'm going to make here. I'm going to make here, right? Make here. Okay. Then this one. So now this query running, right? Then how many rows you want to display? How many rows you want to get? Do you want to get all the rows or a few rows or one row, right? One row. That's what we are specify, guys, here. We have the three functions here. See, which one? Fetch all, fetch many, and fetch one, guys. Fetch one. Fetch all, fetch many, fetch one. So fetch one means only first record will come. Only first record will come. Fetch all means all records will come. Fetch many of size is there. Size means fetch many of I'll give the 4 means only first 4 will come. Fetch many of I'll give the 10 means first 10 will come. Is to take the n number of rows we use fetch many. To use all the rows to get all the rows we use fetch all. To get the first one we use the fetch one. Now what I want now? I want to get all, so we use fetch all. We use fetch, guys. Fetch all. We use fetch all dot fetch all into one variable. Let's take the rows variable, guys. Rows variable. This variable name rows, right? Rows, guys. Now all of you observe. So now you're getting the all the rows, right? Getting all the rows. Getting all the rows. Okay, getting all the rows. So in this case, all of you observe. Suppose in my database table, I have the two rows. I have the two, right? Two rows. Then what is the length of this variable? Let me know. What is the length of that variable? Length of that variable. Suppose in my database, two rows are there. Two rows are there. Means what is size of this rows variable? Because, guys, here each row will be one tuple. The output will come like this. Data will come one tuple and second tuple, right? Two tuples. Means now type of variable, which type now? Tuple type. Now what length of tuple here? Length of tuple is 2 or not? Length of tuple is 2 or not? Is 2 or not? Okay. Suppose, guys, suppose if length is 0, what is the meaning? Tell me now. If length is 0, what is the meaning? If length is 0, if this length is 0 means what is the meaning? All of observe. If length is 0 means what is the meaning? Now means what I want now. Whenever length is not 0, that means the data is there. All of right. If length is not 0 means data is there. The data I want get. The data I want get. And check the condition first of all. If right, if right, if length of rows length of rows not equal to 0, then I want display, guys. I want display one by one. I want to get one by one, right? One by one. So for row in rows, okay, I want to get one by one, guys. Now I want to get one by one for uh, row in a rows, for row in rows. Okay, now what I want now, what I want here, this row I want insert where, insert where, in the table, guys, in the table. What's your table name? What's your table name? You have taken already here, right? What's your table name? Yes, guys, this is our table name. In this table I want to insert those all values here for these columns. For that one now all of you observe now, right? I am going to take now self dot student table dot insert of, insert of. So now all of you observe, all of you observe. Now I am taking here values, values equal to which one, row, guys. Means each time first row will come, that row is going to insert, guys. Insert where? Into this table. In the table what do we have? In the table what do we have? In the table already we specified these all columns, all columns, okay, all columns. After all over, after all over, then what do we do here? After all over, the data we have to save it, right? We'll take it now, connection dot commit, guys. Commit means save it, right? Then finally we have to close the connection, right? Connection dot close, guys. Close the connection. You have to close the connection, right? Now let us try, guys. Let us try this one, whether it will come or not. Okay. Right. Observe now. So all of you observe, when you want to display the data, when you want to display the data, see, whenever it is executing, whenever the file the app is executing, at the time I want to get the data. And whenever I give the new data, click add button, at the time also I want display data, right? Means either I give the data, new data, or no new data, just I open the only app. But at that time what I want now, I want to get all existing data. I want to get all existing, right? Existing data, guys, existing data. Now for this case, now what do we do? For this case now, what do we do here? I am going to the student add. Now I'll take, guys, here I'll take now now all of you observe, we'll take that one, which one, self dot fetch, right? Self dot fetch data, guys. Okay, means that method I want to execute, which method? This method I want to execute, I want to execute when after giving data, after giving data, means of data inserting over, then I want to display the data immediately. Let us see now. I am giving the new record now. I am giving the new data. All of observe. Let's take already what is there. 102, right? I'll take the 103. Let's take the some Satya here. Last name is, we'll take the Flask. On learning, suppose at Java, some fees is suppose 5,000. Contact, some contact number I'm giving here. Then email ID, some Satya at gmail.com, right? Then trainer. Suppose, right, Ramesh, some name. Will start date? Okay, I'll take the some start date, guys, right? And the gender, let's take the male. We'll take the male, right? Male, right? Male. Now, so if I click enter, if so click on the add button, if I click on the add button, click on the add button. Now all of you observe, what's the button name? What's button name? Add, right? Add, guys. Button name add. Means click on the add. Where is the add? Where is the add? Yes, guys. Click on the add. If I click on the add, then this method will call now. What's the method name? Adding data. Go to adding data. Go to the adding data. Yes, guys. The adding data. Now the data will add. After adding, then displaying also, guys. Means after adding, then this method will call now. What's that method? What's that method? Yes, this method will call. Means data will display. Means this method calling where inside the adding data. After displaying, then connection will close, guys. Let us try now. Click on the add button. Click on the add button. So it not came, right? Did not came. It's the database. See in the database. Yes, the database it is added, right? The database is added. It is added, but it did not display, right? Display, guys. Let us see now. Okay. Any change required here? So from here, because see for displaying purpose, we don't have any button, right, guys? Here for displaying only, we don't have any button. Only button for adding, update, delete, clear. Okay, but so here we don't need to change anything in this example, right? And table frame. So frame is taken. Here table created and rows and columns. It's fine. Pack is over. Adding over. Enough, right? So length not equal 0. For loop student insert. I think we'll take the space. Uh, I think as in the end, in insert one more argument required. Just only, I think, right. Let me try this one now. Values row, right? Values row. I'll give the new data. Let us try one more time, guys. 104, 104. Let's take the name. Some Vasu here. Last name. Okay, we'll take the some A B C D. Some last name. Okay, last name, guys. A B C D. Course name. Python. Right. Python. Then fee is 2000. Contact is some number. Email ID. Right. Vasu at gmail.com. Right. Trainer is let's take Sanket. Right. Start date. We'll take 2021. Gender is male, guys. Okay. Yes. Click on the add. Oh, the data did not come, right? Uh, Table name correct one, right? What is table name? Select star from NTH students info. Correct only table name. What is time now? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. This will see. Okay, this will see all the time over, right? Okay. So what is over, guys? Now what is over here? The pending thing is now getting data, right? Getting data, guys. Getting data only. I'll check once. Right. I will continue tomorrow. Yes, I will continue Monday, guys. Okay. We continue on Monday. All of clear, right? Okay. And now observe, guys. Now 1 second. Observe. All of you observe. See, actually, what I want now, afterwards, see, this data is not removing, right? Generally, what happens here, after adding the data, automatically is all data should arise, right? Is all data should arise automatically. Means the data will save in the database and display here. Then this one should erase, right? Should erase, guys. That we will see now. That we will see at least. That we will see. That we will see. I'm taking some method, guys, now. Def will take the method name clear. All of object clear. What's first variable name? Self dot roll number. Variable just what do I do? I set it there. What do I set there? Empty space, guys. Remaining all same. We set there first. Sorry. We set it first name variable. Next we take the last name variable. Sorry, we take the last name variable. Next we set it right course, guys, course variable. Next we set it fee, right, fee variable. Right, next one contact variable. Next one email, guys, email ID variable. Next trainer name. Next one start date. Last one okay, gender, guys. That's all. Right now, what I am doing here, just I am setting the empty space there. Means these values will replace by empty space. That's all. And this method should execute when tell me now, once this data save in the database, then I want to run which one this clear automatically. Means I go here. Once the data save in the database, then I'm going to take which one data self data we'll take it which one now, we'll take it here clear, right? Clear, guys. I'm taking now clear. We are taking there, right? Clear, guys. Okay, clear. Yes. And here uh, after pack over, then, guys, we have to call the method. Which method? That fetch, right? Fetch, guys, here. Okay. Right. Now let us try now. All of observe. I run this one. Any error is there? Oh, error is there, guys. What is the error? Student insert. Let me check it. I think, guys, just wait. Here, pack means which one? It represents this all, guys.
Sir, after
Okay.
pack, you given fetch date, sir, data, right?
Oh, okay, right. Data. Yes. Right. Fetch data. Thank you. Uh, oh, I taken the fetch data only actually. Okay. Correct. No, right now this is correct one. No? I think here also we have taken the fetch data. Yes. Now let us run this one. Again, fetch data. In that one, saying insert end. 1 second, guys. Oh, All of can observe here. All of can observe here, right? Okay, what happened? What happened here? The thing is, first of all, I did not give that one. Which one? I did not call the method. So here I'm calling means what is the meaning? Whenever the table is creating, at that time I'm fetching data also. That's what I forgot initially. All of right. See, I'm calling two times. This method I'm calling two times. This is one time. The second time is which one? Here. So what's the first purpose here? The purpose here is whenever the table is created, means see, whenever the app is opening, at the time table create, at that time I am calling the data, fetching and displaying. There is one time. Second time, after if I give the any new row, if I give the any new data, the data will save in the database. Again, we will get the all data. Means current data and previous data all will come. All will come. Then the data will clear from where? From this one, guys. Means from this one, I want to clear the data. That's why I given the clear where, and adding data only I have given the clear also. Now let us see the 105, guys. I'm going to take the 105. 105 first name, let's take suppose some Raghu here. Then last name, let's take some Python here. Course name, let's take Django. Okay, Django. Fees is suppose 3000. Then contact, some number is there. Then email ID, some Raghu at gmail.com. Right, trainer is suppose Sai. Start date, okay, we'll take the something, guys, 2021. Gender is some male. Now click on the add button. Click on the add button. See, you know what is happening, guys? What is happening? So all previous data is there. Again, second time adding. All of right. This is the actual previous data. The previous data is there. Which one? This data came whenever the app is open first time. Now I'm giving the this time again all data coming again, all data coming again. At this time, what I want now? This data I don't want. All this data I want to overlap by which one? This one, guys. All are clear, right? Suppose if I give one more 106, if I give the again 106, then you know what happens? So this data will be there first time, and the second time will be there. Now third time will come up to 106. Right, means what I want now, I want to remove the previous data, guys. Previous data I want to remove the previous means till data. It's called till data. The previous data, previous means till data, guys. Okay, for that what we do, we go to the yes, fetch, right? So what I want now, before displaying, right, before getting on inserting, see for loop, in the for loop what we are doing now, in the for loop we're inserting, right? Inserting, guys. Before inserting only I want to remove the child data, means previous data. That take the self data, what's table name, student table dot, I'm taking delete, guys. Delete which data I want? Delete all. Star means all self data student table dot get get dot children, guys. Get data children, yes. Get dot children means all children data, guys. In this table all star means all children data, all previous data I want delete. All of clear, right? Now let us try. Now I am giving the 106. I am giving the 106. I am giving the some name, suppose some name Rakesh. I'll take the last name Django. Django course name is, let's take suppose same Python course. Fees 2000. Contact, I'll take some number. Email ID, I'll take the Rakesh at gmail.com. Trainer, let's take the some trainer name here. Start date, okay, start data, and gender, let's take suppose, guys, okay, male, something like this. I'm getting all male, right? Let's take some name, guys. Yeah, we'll take the suppose female. Okay, now observe now. I click add. If I click add, then what happens now? Before displaying, right? Before displaying the main data means this all previous data will delete, guys. Now that all previous data will delete from here, not from database. From here only. Now, if I click add button, then what will come now? 101 will come, 102 will come, 103 will come, right? 104 will come, 105 will come. This is the 106, guys. Only 106. That is what should come actually. Now click on the add button. Click on the add button. Add button. Now what happened here? Where is the 106? Let's go to database table. So sorry guys, actually we have to after modifying here, we have to execute this one, guys. I'll observe, right? I'll observe here. Now 101, 102, 103, 4, 5, 6 only. Only 4, 5, 6 is there, right? 4, 5, 6. And guys, here still I have some problem is there. What is the problem? This is the column, and see the data coming in the which side, guys? Left side, right? Here also same. This is the column data coming in the left side. But what I want now, I want to get the data in the center. Same, guys, in every column also same thing happening, right? Same thing happening in every column also. Same data coming where? See, data coming where? In the left side, right? Means see, it's coming data now. This is the box, right? It's coming the left side. I want center. Now go to the columns. We'll modify this one, guys. Go to the columns. Here. Now we can take here one a label called anchor, guys. ANCHOR, anchor equal to, let's take the center. We'll see. Which one I have taken for roll number, right? Let us try whether it works for roll number or not. If it work, we'll take for all. We'll take for all. For roll number, I have taken that one. Yes, guys. Can you observe here? Now the roll numbers came where? In the middle, guys, right? Middle. Now I'll take for all. I take the same attribute keyword argument for all, guys. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Let us try now. Yes, guys, it's fine, right? It's fine, guys. Now the last time now what do I do? I am going to add one more, guys. Last time, let's try last time. 107. I'll take now some name here. Let's take some name here like this. Some Django course name is. Let's take the Flash course. Then fees 2000. Something contact number. I am some contact number, email ID is I'll take this email ID. Okay, trainer. Take the trainer start date 0203 then 20 21, guys. Okay, gender. Let's take the suppose, right? Female. Now, if I click add button, if I click right add button, then what happens now here? Compulsorily 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7 only should be there, right? Let us try now. Yes, guys, right? Here 7 is adding. After adding means displaying all up to 7 current data, displaying all with current data, then this data is clearing, guys. This data is clearing, right? How? Because see, we are taking one by one. We have taken here one by one. What's one by one? Just observe here. There is that one. See, after data saved in the database, display that one, and clear. Display the table, then clear. Both are methods, right? Fetch data method is there, way to get the data from database, display the table. Then clear is there. What is the clear? Clear means all values are replaced with which one? Empty, guys, empty string like this. That's all. Over. Now what is remaining? What is remaining, guys? Here remaining is update and delete, guys. Delete and clear. Just now over, right? Just now over, guys. Just go to the clear button. Go to clear button. Clear button. Where is clear button? Yes, guys. Right, clear button is there. Simply what we do, I can take now command equal to, I can take self dot clear, right? That's all, guys. Enough. Means whenever I click on the clear button, then this method will call. That method will call. Means what's that method now? That method is there. It will execute now. Okay, this will see next class, guys. Next class means see, while updating the data, while updating or else let us try now only. I'm taking some data like this. I take some data. Okay, now I want to clear it. Now I want to clear it. Click on this one. All of observe. If I click on this one, is it working, right? Not clearing, guys. So what is the reason here? If I click on this button,
Sir,
it's not
run the
executing.
code. First run
Oh,
the code.
yes, because you have to execute, right? Sorry. After modifying this one, correct, I am giving the data, right? Now click on the clear. Yes, all of you can observe here, right? Can observe here, all of you. I am giving some data, and after giving some data, I don't want. Then what can I do here? Click on the clear. Then that's clearing. Okay. Now only two things left, guys. One is update operation and delete operation. These two are left. So all of let me know. Till now everything is clear, right? Everybody. All of let me know. Clear, right? Everybody clear, right? Very good. Yes, guys. Fine, right? So now next what we do? We are work with update. Both are very simple, guys. Remaining very simple. Okay, we try to finish it on and guys, right? So again here we have to apply some functionality under search. Right? We have to apply some functionality. Okay. Now what is left here? Update operations left. Then delete left. Then this search and show all. These four are left, guys. These four are left. All of right. These four we'll see next class. Okay. Next class on Monday, same time, guys. Same time, same link on Monday. Right. Thank you all of you. Bye. Good night.